here from Tease Hair Design. I've known Masaki for a decade now and have trained with him, and to me he's the best. I've learned he's improved my life, how I cut hair. My clients, when they're happy with the results they get, that makes me happy. And if you want to be the best, you got to learn from the best and keep training with the best, and that's Masaki.
Hi, Carrie Harlow.
Hi.
Tease Hair Design, Staunton, Virginia.
Yes.
Your advanced cutting class today with Masaki. Please tell me just a couple of your favorite techniques you used on your beautiful girl today.
I use whisking, which is, I really like that. C curvature gradation through here. And then density control right through here.
Awesome. Beautiful. Yes. You did a great job.
That's it.
Ann. Hi, Ann from Brown and Company.
Hi.
Hi.
Here with
Masaki.
Masaki. Yeah. He's the master.
Yes. Tell me something that you learned from this class.
I definitely learned the different finger position with the hand. I can't remember what it's called. Sakasami.
Yes.
Sakasama. And getting the pieciness through here, and pointing up with your blade for volume and down for gradation or density control. So I came in without any expectations, and I'm just going home with more techniques than I knew I would ever really be able to use. So I appreciate it.
Awesome. We're so glad.
My name is Emily. I'm at Brown & Co. in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and I loved the techniques that Masaki taught us today. I thought that it was amazing how technical we could be while like creating like a sculpture. So I thought turning it into like more of an art than just technical was everything. So
Yeah,
it was awesome.
To feel it.
Yeah.
To feel it. That's awesome. She looks great.
Awesome, thank you.
You too.
Hi, I'm Judy Crawford from the Studio Hair Salon in Harrisonburg, Virginia. And I learned that you never give up. You never quit. You keep going, and you love what you do, and you always try to master with the masters.
Yeah.
Okay?
Woo!
Thank you, Masaki. It was a great
Yeah.
Hi, from Tease Hair Design, Staunton, Virginia.
Yep.
Just finished up our class with Masaki. It was so much fun. We learned so many different things.
Now you have been utilizing these techniques.
I have, so it was fun to kind of master them today.
Yes, you really were able to fine tune them.
Exactly.
Feel the blade.
Definitely. Yes.
And so, what did you feel like was your biggest growth then today?
My biggest growth was wisping.
Okay.
Daniel's been doing it for a long time, and it scared me.
Okay, so
I did it a lot today. So
great,
good.
awesome.
Yeah.
She looks great.
Thanks.
Everybody loves volume, right?
Okay, hi, I'm Michaela from Brown & Company. So I came in not really knowing a whole lot about cutting, but I learned a lot about where to take out the bulk, and I actually got like a lot more confident. So like I just went straight in, and I learned
That's
that.
right. That's right. And finger angle.
Yes,
and where to stand.
A whole lot of everything. There was
and body positioning.
right. Listen to your
And
body.
how you can move your body and help
Definitely, yep.
shape the haircut.
Yes.
Awesome, girl. You did a great job. Start out.
All right, I'm Jay Brown from Brown & Company in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and I came into this class with Masaki wanting to learn some new techniques that I could take home and use right away, and I feel like I learned more than I was expecting. I really like the C gradation, and I learned that when your shears are pointing up, you're getting volume, and when they're pointing down, you're creating
Density control and gradation.
Yes, and so that was just kind of an eye-opening moment for me. And I also learned that I am probably a little too conservative in my haircuts, and I just need to kind of let go and just create art as opposed to trying to be so technical.
Hi, I'm Allie from Brown & Company Hair Design in Harrisonburg, Virginia. I am so happy to be here with Masaki, and I learned so many techniques that I'm going to use every day. I have transitioned from a technical stylist to more of an artist, and that was with help of Masaki's techniques.
Hi, I'm Carrie Beth from Tease Hair Design. I just did the Masaki class and it was wonderful. I loved how Masaki talked about training under mentors as long as you can and creating your character. I also loved mastering all the techniques that I've been working with Daniel for a year now. So.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Christy Gorney Napier, and Daniel is my husband, and we own Tease Hair Design in Staunton, Virginia. And we were so honored to have Masaki from Beverly Hills come and train here. We want to shout it from the rooftops how much we adore Masaki and his techniques and how much it has changed our salon. It has made us stand out. We are different from everybody else because of Masaki. And clients can feel it. Their hair tells them we're different, and they feel it. And it's because of Masaki's techniques that we are able to be different and stand out and be number one. Yeah.